रखो 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 नीचे रखो फोन।
नहीं अब
अरे रख दो नीचे, रख दो नीचे।
स्टार्ट हो गया।
Okay, now this kind of staggered many way we can do it, but in the chart work we have a parallel ruler with some calculation मत जाओ. Okay, so navigation theory can be put here. Okay, so we have the parallel ruler, very simple thing that 2PL was known with respect to same DR as per the question. Okay, same DR was used for both, and they are asking the 1820 position. तो सिंपल 1800 को 1820 में लेके जाओ. टेक एनी पॉइंट, मुझे रनिंग फिक्स करो, कोई भी एक पॉइंट में लगाओ एंड 120 कोर्स लगाओ. 120 इज ना ये करंट है कोर्स 035. तो इधर से योर 035 लगाओ एंड योर 20 मिनट्स का जो व्हाट एवर द 4 miles रन, अप्लाई इट. Okay, 12 knot speed, 4 miles. From there, apply the current. Also for 20 minutes, get the course made good line. Transfer the 1800 hours position here.
ये फिक्स मिल गया नीचे।
So this is my. I have transferred 1800 to 1820. I got a position.
So ट्रांसफर्ड वाले को डबल क्रॉस कर सकते, डबल एरो कर
Yes, you can do it. ठीक है. So this is your position at. Because both are in the same time now, so this is my 1820 position. Okay, so many people are doing various methods. Okay, all methods are correct. Okay, but unnecessary time मुझे save करना है एग्जाम हॉल में. That would be one of the main objective. Okay, एक प्रॉब्लम मैं 1 घंटा में कर सकता हूँ, 20 मिनट में कर सकता हूँ. Okay, so फालतू में जो people are coming with the various concept. ठीक है, all concepts are correct. But is it feasible in the exam hall? It will help me in any way? So all these experiment इधर करो, exam hall में मत करो. This will be the very, तुम्हारे पास parallel है, very फटाफट हो जाएगा. Okay.
सर ये क्वेश्चन है, ये जो कोर्स आपने ड्रॉ किया है वो कहाँ से ड्रॉ?
Any point on this line.
Any point on
वो
this
parallel ही बनेगा ना?
Running fix का मतलब है take any point.
Okay.
Any point. ऐसा नहीं इधर लेना है, any point on this line बस. Because this part will be same, इधर भी same part होगा same. So this is your first part. Okay, now second part, what we have not done so far is the right hand. Okay, right hand problem इधर now is the उत्कीपन. And for this anybody, at least one of you must be having your, और पूरी का बुक तो मैंने देखा, उसमें have your PLR find out and height of eye also given. So get the GR value and the PLR present luminous range from the diagram, and this is by formula, and take whichever is less. So now find the true course to steer on the first side, Utlikon right ahead. So I got a distance. Okay, this distance as per this. Okay. Suppose this distance your x. Okay. This is known. Okay. Now find out the time. Time means your distance by speed.
ऐसे ये आर कैसे कह दिया आपने सर?
ये तो ज्यादा हो रहा है भाई।
इससे एक डिस्टेंस मिला ना, वो डिस्टेंस का मैंने whichever is less. Now find out the time. Okay, time means your distance by speed. Why we are doing it? We come to know now. Drift is equal to rate of current into time. Now whatever the time I got from here, rate is given in the question, so I got a drift.
सर ये टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड।
Speed means engine speed.
तो ये क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है जो टाइम
The
मिलेगा?
engine speed is given
12 knots।
12 knots. So this is your 12 knots, and x value I got one of them.
Okay.
So here right hand problem is very peculiar thing. We have to apply the current at the lighthouse.
Okay.
Only towards what are the 120 is there? Apply 120.
करंट लाइन को उस पे
We come to know very soon why we are doing it.
120
Now for how much time I will be applying? Okay, that depends on this the calculation.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because that to cover from here to here, to cover this distance by engine, how much time will take?
Depend upon the distance.
Depends on that apply the current.
Yes.
But one triangle will form there.
Okay.
So now once you get this drape I come in here. And from here I simply join this point.
Yes, sir.
This will be your course made gold line. And this will be my
CTS.
CTs. Now this course I am steering from here. This is my heading, remember. Vessel is drifting like this. My heading will never change. Because the current is pushing you, you drift like this, and the moment you come here, it will be right ahead, but you will not go and hit.
Yes.
You will pass here. Now एक triangle formed here. तो इसमें एक CTS है, ये है course made gold and river current. So from here I am getting the time. Your time should be same on the triangle का तीनों side. So once you get the time, same time का I am applying the current. So many people start doing various concept they using. Okay.
ये उल्टा नहीं लगा तो CTS इधर जा रहा है करंट इधर जा रहा है हेडिंग ऐसा होगा
ठीक तो है
मिलेगा but it will not fulfill the requirement what is given in the question. ऐसा तो many CTS will get. Okay. So what he is telling that why I am not joining this point and this point. So if we join it, it's correct. Now if we join it, because this will be my CTS at this point. Now when the current is pushing you, you will trip. After some time vessel will come here and it will not be on the port bow.
राइट नहीं हो पाएगा.
If you steer like this, okay, no current, ठीक है, right hand. Current is pushing you. That means you will drift like this. Heading will remain same. And the moment you are touching here, your heading will be like this. It will not be right hand. It will be on the port bow.
Oh yes. सर तो इसको कोर्स मेट फुट ले लेंगे ना सर.
सर ये टाइम
अच्छा, अच्छा,
नहीं
okay, somebody said that इसको मैं course mate बोल लेंगे. Let's see what happens.
किसको कोर्स मेट फुट लेना है?
वो बोलते हैं ये है course mate good. If is a course mate good, तो इधर you apply the current here and engine speed लगा के कुछ CTS मिलेगा. So this heading will be like this. So if it go like this, heading will be like this.
We will hit. कोलाइड कर जाएगा. केस स्टडी हो जाएगा सर.
कोई मेथड नहीं है, एक ही मेथड.
टाइम का बताइए.
anything.
करंट पे रेट कितना टाइम कैसे कटेगा सर वो बताइएगा. गोली. वो सर ऊपर करंट कितने टाइम का लिया.
तो
वो ये कैलकुलेशन है.
there is a triangle is forming. Okay. Triangle का तीनों साइड should be for same time.
अच्छा.
Okay, same time का होना चाहिए. अभी this distance this by engine speed. Okay, so this divided by 12 will get a time. Yes. ये time का current to be applied. That is we have done here. पहले I have got the time. वो time का I have used the current.
वो जो रेंज रहेगा उसके लिए.
जो range है. If the 12 mile right, sometimes it is mentioned when you will be right at 12 miles of. Okay, 12 by 12 एक घंटा हो गया. But एक घंटा is not always fixed.
अब घुस गया दिमाग में सर.
एक घंटा is not fixed. That depends on two factors. One is the engine speed and the distance. वो हिसाब से पहले टाइम निकालो देन
समझ गया सर. ट्रायंगल का डिस्टेंस हमें पता ही है.
Yes.
आर्क से तो
उससे we are finding our time.
अच्छा उस
इसका बाद
कैलकुलेशन तो सर CTS पे होगा.
बात है ना.